Hey everybody, it's Coach G back here with another GIMP tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to export JPEG and PNG files for the web. So first let's take a look at exporting GIMP images as a PNG or a PNG file. So PNG files, they're used for graphics that contain areas of solid color, so icons, buttons, or screenshots that might not work as well in a JPEG format. You're going to want to go with a PNG export. So first, let's export this by selecting File, and then we're going to go down to Export As. And in our dialog box here, it's set to JPEG for me automatically, but if I want to change the extension, I could simply type in PNG right here and hit export. And as I hit export, I will get another dialog box and everything is fine here. We would just hit export and we'd be good to go. If you want to find it manually instead of typing up there, you can just come down here to select file type by extension, and you will see a number of different file types available for you to choose from. And once you find yours, you would click on it. Like if I wanted a PDF, I would have that. If I wanted a PNG, I would find my PNG image and look at my extension right there. Clicking export will give me the same options I had previously pulled up for you. So I can just click export here and my file would be ready to go. So with PNG files, you can use maximum compression with them because they don't affect the image quality at all when you export as a PNG. PNG files also preserve transparency in your images upon the export. And next, I want to show you the most common image file format for the web, and that would be exporting as a JPEG. So with JPEG images, you can compress the data to achieve a smaller file size. And of course, the smaller an image file size is, the faster it's going to load. In order to reduce the file size, the JPEG format causes images to lose some detail. So JPEGs are known as a lossy file format, and that's because of this. So let's go ahead and export our JPEG, and what I want to do is click File, Export As, and I'm going to rename this file to Tiger, just something I can easily find in a location I can find. So I'm putting it on my desktop. JPEG is already selected for me, but if it was not, I can click this select file type and find it down here for me, and there it would be. I'm going to shift this to the side so you can see what I'm doing as I adjust some of the data in this image. So my quality is set at 90% right now. If it were 100%, you wouldn't see much of a change, but if I lower it dramatically, you will see quite a difference. So as we are right now, we're at 100%. I'm going to show preview in an image window right here, and in my layers panel, you will also see a JPEG preview layer pop up. It's just generated for us once we have that show preview and image window option selected. I'm going to dramatically lower this quality by dragging the slider to the left to about 11%, and you're going to notice quite a bit of change in the background, or in the snow especially. There's a number of artifacts. It just looks like a much lower quality image. So when I bring my slider to the right, I'm gaining all that data back. And if I'm ready to export this, all I would do is simply click export. All this other additional information right here is fine. If you just want a preview, you would again click on this show preview and image window option. You can adjust the quality of the JPEG you would like by sliding the slider here, and when you're ready, you would hit export. So now you know how to export images for the web using PNG and JPEG file formats. You also learned how to compress images by using a JPEG. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take it easy.